In Year 1 English, one of the things I enjoyed doing was putting together a puppet show.
Once upon a time, there were 3 little mice. They lived together with their mother. One day they decided to build houses of their own. Please take good care of yourselves. We will, said the 3 little mice. Beware of the big, bad cat, she added. We know, they replied. Time is money, said the first mouse, and he built his house in a hurry, out of straw. Early one morning, the big, bad cat, who was an early bird, went to the house of the first little mouse. Little mouse, let me come in. Let me come in. By the whiskers on my long pointy nose, I will not let you in. Then I'll scratch and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. Then the cat scratched and puffed and blew her house down. So the first little mouse ran off to her sister's house. Mouse, let me come in, let me come in. By the whiskers on my long pointy nose, I will not let you in, replied the second little mouse from the window. Then I'll scratch and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. Then the cat scratched and he puffed and he blew the house down. Mice ran up to their sisters. Meanwhile, the 3 little mice put a pot of boiling water over the fire. Just then, as the cat came down the chimney, the 3 little mice took off the cover and the cat fell in. Into the pot fell the cat with a big splash. And that was the end of the big bad cat. Whew! At last the 3 little mice were safe and they lived happily ever after.